In this video, we can talk about top 5 EngageBay alternatives and competitors. Hey, glad to have you back on our Alternatives channel. This video is especially for sales aficionados. We will cover the best alternatives of EngageBay meet the heavyweights of the CRM world, and the top 5 alternatives of EngageBay, which are Hubspot Sales Hub, Zoho CRM, Pipeline CRM, ActiveCampaign, and Freshsales. Let's dive right in and find the perfect CRM fit for your business. First alternative on our list is Hubspot Sales Hub. Hubspot Sales Hub is a leading platform offering a comprehensive suite of tools to streamline sales processes and improve customer engagement. It offers features like landing page builder, free form maker, video hosting, and list segmentation. With Hubspot Sales Hub, businesses can manage their sales pipeline, track deals, and automate tasks. And one of the standout features of Hubspot Sales Hub is its powerful integration with HubSpot's marketing and service hubs. Second one on our list is Zoho CRM. Zoho CRM is a popular CRM software that provides a wide range of features to manage customer relationships effectively. And some of its key features like process management, sales enablement, marketing automation, and customization. It offers modules for lead management, contact management, sales forecasting, and email marketing automation. One standout feature of Zoho CRM is its extensive customization options, with the help of which businesses can use CRM to their specific needs by customizing fields, layouts, and workflows. Third one on our list is Pipeline CRM. Pipeline CRM is user-friendly CRM software designed to simplify sales management and enhance productivity. It offers features like email campaigns, easy integrations, track commissions, and sales forecasting. It also provides insightful analytics and reporting features, enabling businesses to gain valuable insights into their sales performance. And one of the standout features of Pipeline CRM is its visual pipeline management interface. Next up, we have ActiveCampaign. ActiveCampaign is an all-in-one marketing automation and CRM software that provides a powerful solution for your email marketing campaigns. It offers excellent features like marketing automation, SMS marketing, customizable forms, and email monitoring. With ActiveCampaign, you can effectively segment your customers and engage them with personalized messages. And one of the standout features of ActiveCampaign is its advanced marketing automation capabilities that allows businesses to create personalized customer journeys based on triggers and actions. Last but not the least, we have Freshsales. Freshsales is a cloud-based CRM solution designed to help businesses manage their sales processes and customer relationships effectively. It offers features like dynamic forecasting, custom sales activities, and chat campaigns. It provides advanced analytics and reporting features, allowing businesses to track sales performance and optimize their strategies. One of the standout features of Freshsales is its built-in phone and email capabilities, which enable sales teams to communicate and engage with prospects and customers directly within the CRM platform. Compared to EngageBay, HubSpot's expansive marketplace offers a vast selection of integrations and add-ons, allowing you to customize your CRM experience even further. Zoho CRM stands out with its extensive suite of business applications, allowing you to manage various aspects of your operations within a single ecosystem. Pipeline CRM intuitive visual interface empowers sales teams to navigate and manage their sales activities with ease, enhancing overall sales pipeline efficiency. ActiveCampaign combines CRM with marketing automation, providing businesses with the ability to create highly personalized and targeted customer journeys to maximize engagement and conversions. Freshsales offers AI-based lead scoring, which automatically assigns scores to leads based on their engagement level and likelihood to convert, helping sales teams prioritize their efforts effectively. After going through the key and standout features, we would recommend Hubspot Sales Hub as the best alternative to EngageBay. HubSpot Sales Hub offers a comprehensive CRM solution with robust sales and marketing automation capabilities, seamless integration with other HubSpot tools, and a user-friendly interface. It provides a holistic view of customer interactions, enables effective lead and deal management, and offers advanced reporting and analytics features. We hope you found this video insightful and empowering for your sales endeavors. Remember, at Alternatives Co., we're always on the lookout for the best tools and software to fuel your success. And there you have it, the top contenders in the quest for the perfect streak alternative. With these options at your disposal, you're sure to find the ideal CRM solution to supercharge your sales efforts. Thanks for watching. Please like and share this video if you find it useful. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get notified when we create more such useful videos.